Comparing India and China's economic growth. India and China, two Asian giants, have witnessed remarkable economic growth in recent decades, transforming their economies and significantly impacting the global landscape. As the world's two most populous nations, the economic trajectories of India and China are of immense importance. This video aims to compare and contrast the economic growth paths of both nations, examining key factors that have contributed to their success and highlighting the challenges they face. 1. Historical background. China's economic transformation began with Deng Xiaoping's market-oriented reforms in the late 1970s. This policy shift opened up China to foreign investment, leading to rapid industrialization and export-oriented growth. On the other hand, India initiated its economic liberalization in 1991, abandoning its inward-looking policies and embracing globalization. Both nations took different paths, but with the common goal of achieving high economic growth. 2. Growth rates and size of economies. China has experienced remarkable growth over the past 4 decades, maintaining an average annual GDP growth rate of around 9.5%. This sustained expansion has propelled China to become the world's second-largest economy. India, while growing at a commendable average rate of 6 to 7%, is still catching up with China's growth trajectory. However, India's advantage lies in its demographic dividend, with a youthful population that presents enormous potential for future growth. 3. Factors driving economic growth. A. Manufacturing and export-led growth. China's manufacturing sector has been a significant driver of its economic growth, fueled by its low-cost labor, infrastructure development, and export-oriented policies. In contrast, India has primarily relied on its services sector, particularly information technology and business process outsourcing, for economic expansion. B. Foreign direct investment, FDI. China has attracted substantial FDI due to its favorable investment climate, large consumer market, and infrastructure development. Its integration into global value chains has contributed to its export success. India, although making progress in attracting FDI, faces challenges such as bureaucratic hurdles and infrastructure deficiencies, which limit its full potential. C. Infrastructure development. China's impressive infrastructure, including world-class ports, high-speed railways, and modern cities, has played a crucial role in its economic growth. India, recognizing the importance of infrastructure, has made significant investments but still faces gaps in transportation, logistics, and power supply. D. Demographic dividend. India has the advantage of a young workforce, providing a potential demographic dividend. However, harnessing this advantage requires substantial investments in education, skill development, and job creation to fully utilize the demographic potential. 4. Challenges and opportunities. Both nations face unique challenges on their path to sustained economic growth. A. Socio-economic inequalities. China grapples with income disparities between its urban and rural regions, as well as environmental challenges resulting from rapid industrialization. India faces similar issues, with stark income inequalities and the need for inclusive growth to uplift marginalized sections of society. B. Innovation and technology. While China has made significant strides in technology and innovation, India has been catching up, particularly in the information technology and biotechnology sectors. Fostering innovation and R&D is crucial for both countries to enhance productivity and competitiveness. C. Sustainable development. Both nations need to prioritize sustainable development to address environmental concerns, reduce carbon emissions, and mitigate the impact of climate change. This will require transitioning to cleaner energy sources and adopting environmentally friendly policies. Conclusion. India and China's economic growth stories showcase the diverse paths countries can take to achieve remarkable development. China's success lies in its manufacturing prowess, infrastructure development, and export-oriented policies. Meanwhile, India has leveraged its services sector and youthful population to make significant strides. Both nations face unique challenges that must be addressed for sustained growth, including socio-economic inequalities, innovation gaps, and environmental concerns. As India and China continue to shape the global economy, understanding the factors driving their growth and the challenges they face is crucial for policymakers and investors alike. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Explanium today and discover a whole new world of knowledge and understanding.